This is the BEKO CEG5301X bean-to-cup coffee machine. This really smart machine features a lovely touch control LCD panel on the top, and thanks to its one-touch system you can select a single or a double espresso without needing to have to make any of those complicated adjustments for that perfect coffee. You can keep your coffee machine running at its best also with its automated cleaning program, so there's never any need to worry about cleaning it thanks to the auto rinse function, which is super handy. So then when the machine does go into standby mode, you can just select the program and it will clean itself. And then the only thing that's left to do is just enjoy that lovely fresh coffee.